Today, I'm teaching you a powerful death spell, like a powerful spell to cancel death, a powerful spell for death cancellation. Are you struggling with death and feeling overwhelmed? Okay, my powerful death spell can help you get rid of your debts. This is my real magic powerful spell, and it is designed to target the source of your financial problems and provide you with the relief that you need. This spell can help you pay off all your debts and give you the freedom to start afresh financially. With my death spell, you'll be able to break free from the burdens of the debt and enjoy a life of financial freedom. So if you're ready to watch this right now, please join these powerful spiritual videos. Watch this video from the start to the end. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. So if you've been struggling to make your monthly payments and you are starting to feel overwhelmed by your debts, okay, you've heard about the debt spell and you're wondering if it could help you clear all your debt quickly and easily, please do this right now. So what you need is very simple. Please grab a bowl, like a glass bowl right now. I have one with me. If you don't have one, please go get it. Take your time. Grab a new bowl. Okay. So now, once you have your bowl with you, you now have to get some salt. This is salt over here. It's one of the ingredients that we are using here. It's very, very powerful. All right. Then you have to get a piece of money. All right. So this spell that I'm talking about, it's a powerful spell that cancels your debt, that brings money to you. Okay. And it can even convince your creditors to forgive your debts. It can also help you clear your debt quickly and easily. All you need is to get all these items. Get some sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, please grab any salt that you can get, whether it is Celtic salt, whether it is Himalayan salt, whether it is your cooking salt. Okay. So now if you're ready to get rid of your debt, let's do this right now. So now, once you get a bowl of water, a bowl, get some water, please. Now add some water here. If you have rainwater, well water, whatever it is, it's okay. Get any water that you can get. Okay, here I have rainwater because it's still raining here in my part of the country. So it's raining, so get that. If you don't have that, get any water. Please add some sea salt into this. Okay, before you handle sea salt, make sure you wash your hand. Don't use dirty hands. Wash your hand before you touch salt, so you don't want to contaminate it. Okay, so just add some. If you're using the countable salt, okay, just get maybe about 3 of these. Okay, get it in there. All right, get another one, get it in there. Okay, get another one, get it in there. If you don't have the countable one, maybe you just have the fine sea salt. Just try maybe about half teaspoon. It's good. So now what we have here is salt and water. All right, it's now very, very powerful. So now all you need to do is just make sure you activate the salt water. All right, activate it by bringing it close to your nose. Breathe in and out over the water. Okay, a few times, like 7 times. It's good. So now after that, this has been activated. It's now been spiritual. It's now powerful to do the spiritual work you want to use it for. Another way to activate it is by putting it on your window, or you can put it outside under the moonlight or under the sunlight to exchange energies, to bring in more energies into this, to make it more powerful. After that, you are going to grab this money. All right, you only have to keep it outside for like 30 minutes. After that, take a piece of money, any money that you have in your country, just keep it under the water like this. All right, please follow all these steps. It's very important that you follow every step. Don't skip any of it. All right, and if you're watching, you're loving this video, press the like button right now. So now after that, you will start to say very powerful prayers. You will say as I use this powerful debt cancellation spell, as I do this debt spell, this will work for me like fire. It will cancel my death. It will cancel my debt. It will remove every spirit of debt in my life. Any spirit that is making me pile up debt and debt upon death, everything will be removed and money will flow into my life. Okay, I will receive favor with my creditors. I will receive favors from that bank, from that government, from the company where I am owing them money, in the mighty name of God. Amen. Amen. So after the prayer, now you are now going to take these items. Make sure that when you are using it, the money stays under the bowl, and you will start to use it to wash your face, to wash your hand, and to wash your feet. Those are the 3 places that you're going to wash. Okay, make sure you do it rightly. All right, you will do this. You will do this today. You can do it tomorrow, or you do it anytime that you feel like money doesn't stay in your hand, like that it like just keep happening every now and then from nowhere. Okay, you get money, you don't even have an idea how this money go away. If you are going through that, make sure you do it anytime. So there's no specific time. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon. Now, somebody may be asking, because there are many questions that you may be asking right now. You may be saying, what is debt spell? What is this debt spell? What is this spell for debt cancellation? This debt spell is a very powerful spiritual spell that is designed to get you out of debt and to help you achieve financial freedom. This works to rid you of all debts, no matter how large or small. Okay, it can help you pay off your credit card debts, your student loans, and even taxes. So with this spell, you can create a more secure and stable financial future. All right, it is a very powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and create a better life for you and your family. So this my real powerful debt spell is a simple but very effective one. Okay, it's an effective way to clear all your debt. This spell will convince your creditors to forgive your debt, and it will help you clear your debt quickly and easily. Now you may be asking, how does this debt spell work? Okay, how does it work? Basically, this debt spell will convince your creditors to forgive your debts, and it will help you to clear your debt quickly and easily. It is a very powerful spell, and it will help you to overcome your financial problems once and for all. My debt spell, okay, by using the spiritual energy, like it uses the spiritual energy to attract abundance and financial freedom. This spell works to reduce the amount of debt that you owe, okay, and attract the resources that you need to pay off all your debt. It works by helping you attract more money, okay, to be able to pay off your debt quicker and easier. This spell will also help you it will also bring to you more luck and success into your life so that you can create more financial stability. So please go right ahead, do that. Somebody may be asking, okay, who can use this? Anybody can use this, whether you are a man, whether you are a woman, as long as you are an adult and you have a genuine need to cancel your debt. Okay, you have no idea how this debt is piling up and you want to reduce it, or you want to cancel it, or you want to attract money into your life, please do it. It works. Now, somebody may be saying, how long does it take for this spell to work? Right? How long does it take for this to work depends on a number of factors, including the size of your debt, how much money that you owe, and the strength of the spell itself. Generally speaking, though, should you start to see results within a week? Okay, you should start to see results within a few weeks. So if you're looking for a fast and easy way to get rid of your debt, this debt spell is definitely worth considering. You should do this, okay? Don't try it, do this. It has been known to help a lot of people to clear their debt in as little as a few weeks or a few months. So it could just be what you need, okay, just to get your finances back on track. So please do it right now if you are struggling. All right, do it anytime you feel you're going through anything. You could do it for as many days as you want, okay, until this works for you. So please, once it has worked, come and share your testimony on my channel. I can't wait to read your testimonies. God bless you all abundantly. If you love this video, press the like button right now. If you want more spiritual videos like this, please watch these videos like that. And also, if you want to join membership on my channel for more spiritual tips and more spiritual guide, join membership on my channel. And God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. God bless you. I love you all. Bye bye. So now all you do is just wash your hand and everything. Once everything is done, just throw the water away and do it all over again. You can use this same money, okay, to do everything that you wanted. Well, I mean, to do it each time you do this, you just need to change the water. You can use the same bowl and you had another salt, right? You get what I'm saying? So this money, after using it, just keep this money in your purse. Keep it in your bag or wherever you keep your money. All right, you see how money is going to flow into your life, how debt cancellation will be yours. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. My name remains Precious. Bye bye.